I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 5, sound of vowel I. Okay, let us start now this chapter. Speak aloud. F-I-G, F-I-G, fig. B-I-G, big. W-I-G, wig. Z-I-P, zip. T-I-P, tip. And S-H-I-P, shape. Okay, I-G add करना है and make a new words. Example, B-I-G, big. F-I-G, fig. D-I-G, dig. P-I-G, pig. G-I-G, gig. And W-I-G, wig. Next, I-N. Make a words. B-I-N, bin. T-I-N, tin. F-I-N, fin. S-I-N, sin. P-I-N, pin. And W-I-N, win. Next, I-P. D-I-P, dip. L-I-P, lip. S-I-P, sip. H-I-P, hip. And T-I-P, tip. Z-I-P, zip. Next, I-D. I-D, L-I-D, lid. B-I-D, bid. H-I-D, hid. And R-I-D, rid. K-I-D, kid. And D-I-D, did. Next है it. It से है B-I-T, bit. F-I-T, fit. L-I-T, lit. And K-I-T, kit. H-I-T, hit. And S-I-T, sit. Okay. Then kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.